This is a 2022 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck. Came in yesterday morning. It is a little dirty, you'll see on the skin as I go around the trailer and like lift the ramp, because it's basically been storming or raining ever since it got here yesterday. But I'll tell you a little about this trailer. We can go over the details. Specs and photos will be available on our website at trailercountryllc.com. Again, it's a 2022 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck. It is 7'6" tall and 6'6" wide. It's got a 10-foot straight load horse area, which is quite standard in straight load trailers. Manual single speed jack. Spare tire mounted under the nose. These are 5,200 pound axles on this 2-horse gooseneck trailer. 6 lug wheels under there. It's got a 5-foot dressing room. The dressing room has 2 saddle racks, a blanket bar, bridle hooks, and a clothing bar. Nice roomy nose there for storage, and a built-in boot box. We also have rubber mats on the dressing room floor. And this trailer got the addition of a walk-through door from the horse area to the dressing room. Gore is a steel chassis, aluminum framed, aluminum skin trailer. Mr. Gore does a beautiful job of finishing the trailers. They have a lot of nice standard features, including these full-length running boards. Diamond plate, full-length diamond plated running boards. Diamond plate on that fender there, really pretty. We did the addition of extruded aluminum siding on this model, so that is a little bit of an upgrade, but also that extruded aluminum is welded to the side of the trailer. It has an aesthetic benefit and a structural benefit. Gore trailers are insulated in the walls of the horse area, and they have a fiberglass roof that is going to be much cooler than an aluminum roof. Even an insulated aluminum roof just unfortunately won't be quite as cool as this fiberglass roof. We call this a molded fiberglass. Make my way around the trailer here for you. Nice lightweight ramp. I'll show you, can lift that up with one arm. We've got padded breast and butt bars, padded removable divider, and padded sidewalls. Sliding windows in the escape doors, sliding hip windows, 2 pop-up roof vents. So you've got plenty of ventilation in this trailer. You've got a load light, interior light. Switches on the trailer for these load lights. Interior lights are in the dressing room. Gore typically has a wooden floor. Treated wooden floor with rubber mats. Wood is a fantastic product in horse trailers. It's super hardy. Urine can also go right through those cracks, so you don't have to worry about any deterioration there from that urine. We very, very, very rarely repair or replace wooden floors here. Oh, I didn't know my own strength with that arm. So see, there's some of that dirt because it won't stop raining and storming here. Nice black latches. These are all keyed, and they're all keyed alike so that you can lock this trailer completely up with the doors, the ramp, and then these top doors. Again, sorry about that dirt. Clearly the weather's fabulous here. Oh, I'm not capable of this with my left hand because I'm not very tall. Here we go. So we've got rear curtains with windows over top of that rear ramp. Gore does a backup light. Not many manufacturers do a backup light on their trailers, but Gore does. You've got all LED running lights here. There's a 15-inch steel wheel, galvanized steel wheel under that simulator. 6 lugs. Really nicely finished trailer. Again, you've got a removable divider. Head dividers are not standard in the Gore trailer, so you won't see a head divider here. It can be added. There's that walk-through door from the horse area to the dressing room. Again, it's a 2022 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck. All the specs are available on our website at trailercountryllc.com. The trailer is located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. We have financing and delivery available.